Okay guys, here's our first circuit. You can see that I have our battery pack and then our red lead, okay, in the red hole on the source, and then the black lead into the black hole on the source. Now if we follow the red lead, it goes down to the first power bus on the positive side, okay? And then if we sort of follow the circuit, let me grab a little pointer here. So if we're following the circuit, we come out of the battery source. Let me get my pointer into the picture here. Come out of the battery source onto the positive bus. This is all the same wire, so the current's flowing over here. From here onto the working area here in 5. It runs across that same wire. Remember how we said that every one of these holes in row 5 are connected? So it runs over here to our diode, runs through the diode, which is it's important to point out that this is a directional component. That means that the current can only flow in one direction. And then it stays on the same, basically it's jumping from this work area across this gap here, okay? So these are not connected except for by the LED. And then here you can see it's running to our resistor, and then down to negative, from negative to the negative lead, and back to the source, completing a circuit. That's why they call it a circuit. So, it's a very simple circuit, and it's the one that I want you to set up first. And you can see that the LED is lit, and depending on what amount of resistance you provide, depending on what resistor you use, the LED will be brighter or less bright. And if you're not careful and you let too much power flow there, then you'll blow out your LED. So you can damage those components with too much power in the circuit. Okay, that's our first circuit.